My poor kitchen is just so crowded. I just need a few more cabinets, a little more counter space. Sure wish I had some extra storage, because when I bake, I have nowhere to even put the cooling rack. And if I put it in on the table or on top of the crate, the animals get to it, so it has to stay in the kitchen up above the nose of the fur kids. What to do? Still wallowing about my lack of space. Wait a minute! What's this? Oh, I have to try this out. It's like Santa was here. So if I go over here and lift this up, oh my gosh! Look at this! It's like it was meant for a cooling rack! Amazing! Look at that! And then, when it's not being used, I'm betting Santa thought ahead on this one. I need 2 hands. Oh my gosh! It folds down, and I can still open the drawer. That is brilliant!